You've already seen what the site looks like right out of the box. Now let's check out how we can customize it. Looks like we don't have a logo yet. You can see there isn't one showing up right now. To fix that, just go to the Xpress Site app and click on the Design tab. This is where you can mess around with the layout, make edits, or even add new pages. Basically, it's where you can change up how everything looks. Let's start by focusing on the banner image and getting a logo in there. So, go ahead and upload your logo. You've got a bunch of options. You can pick something from a photo gallery or just use a picture from your device. There are also stock images if you want to grab something off the internet, but for now, let's just pick something from the gallery. Once the logo's uploaded, let's check out what it looks like. The logo should be there on the site now. Yep, the logo's there. Cool. If you want to make other changes, that's super easy too. Like, if you want to switch up the site's main color or how it looks, just go back to the Design tab in the Xpress Site app and look for Site Settings. Inside the Site Settings, you'll see the option to turn on dark mode if that's your vibe. You can also switch the color to something else. And next, let's try changing the banner title. To change the title that says Discover Premium Urban Fashion, just go to Edit Basic Info, make your changes, and you'll see them pop up right away. Easy. That's pretty much it for editing. Now, let's check out how to add a brand new page or update one you already have. So we're heading back into the Xpress Site app again. As you scroll down, you'll see all your pages listed. To add a new page, just click on Add New Page, type in the page title, and you're done. But let's switch things up for now. Let's open up the first page. On this page, you'll see all the sections that are already there. If you need more, you can add a new section. There are a ton to pick from. If you want to rearrange the sections, click on Reorder and just drag and drop them to where you want. Now, if we are going inside any section, you can change the title, the tagline, and the description. And that's basically how you customize a website with the Xpress platform. Thanks for watching.